Dear student, today we are starting a new chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Now, in the previous chapter, you have learned about the organic compounds which contain carbon oxygen single bond like this. In this chapter, we are going to study the organic compounds containing the carbon oxygen double bond, that is C double bond O. This carbon oxygen double bond is called as carbonyl group. Which is one of the most important functional group in inorganic chemistry. Now both the aldehyde and ketones, that is the aldehyde and ketones, both of these organic compounds contain carbonyl group, that is a C double bond O. And this one is their functional group. So these compounds are also called as carbonyl compounds. In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen atom apart from alkyl or aryl group. That's why the functional group of aldehyde is CHO, which is also called as formyl group or a aldehydic carbonyl group. This group is also called as formyl group or a aldehydic functional group or a aldehydic carbonyl group, you can say. One on the other hand, in ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to alkyl or aryl group. This is one is the about the aldehyde. In aldehyde, what happen? In carbonyl carbon, one hydrogen atom is attached apart from one alkyl or a aryl group. But in case of ketone, to the carbonyl carbon, that is C double bond O, both the alkyl or aryl group are attached to carbonyl carbon. These alkyl group may be similar or they may be different, like R is equal to R. Means both the alkyl group which are attached to carbonyl carbon may be same for like this, or it may be a different like this. Means alkyl group may be changed in ketones. While in this group is also known as ketonic carbonyl group. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, called carboxyl group. Now the third one is, that is a carboxylic acid. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, and this COH is called carboxylic group. Due to the carbonyl carbon or due to the OH group bonded to carbonyl carbon, the properties of aldehyde and ketones are different from carboxylic acid. So these are the general things which are discussed in this chapter. Now the classification of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid are classified as per the nature of carbon skeleton or a group which are bonded to the carbonyl group. The first we shall see about the classification of aldehyde. Aldehyde are classified as aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic aldehyde, and second one is a aromatic aldehyde. Now what is the aliphatic aldehyde? The compound in which CHO, that is a aldehydic group or a formyl group, is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is a saturated carbon atom, are called as aliphatic aldehyde. The compound, what is the definition? That is the compound in which CHO, that is the aldehydic group, is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. CHO group attached to sp3 means the carbon atom which is bonded to a single bond with the other hydrogen atom, that is the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. For example, CH3 group, C2H5 group, these are the sp3 hybridized. In this the carbon atom is attached to sp3 or a hydrogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That's why they are known as saturated hydrocarbon or a saturated carbon atom. So what are the aliphatic aldehyde? The compound in which CHO group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. There is an exception, that is in which only hydrogen atom is attached to CHO group. This one is known as formaldehyde. What is the formula of formaldehyde? That is a HCHO. Now we can take the general example for the aliphatic aldehyde in which CHO group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. For example, CH3. In this, CH3 is attached to this carbon atom which is the carbonyl carbon, which is the sp3 hybrid. This carbon is a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The name of this compound, that is CH3CHO, is a acetaldehyde. Another example we can take, that is a ethyl group we can take, that is CH3CH2. This one is a ethyl group. Into this we attach to CHO. That's why this will become 3 carbon atom. That's why it is a propionaldehyde. So these are the example of a aliphatic aldehyde in which CHO group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The general formula for this, that is R C double bond O H, that is a CHO, aldehydic functional group. That is this CHO is a aldehydic functional group. That is the general formula for a aliphatic aldehyde. Now the second one is aromatic aldehyde. What is the aromatic aldehyde? The compounds in which CHO group is attached directly attached to an aromatic ring are called aromatic aldehyde. What are the aromatic aldehyde? The aldehydic functional group, that is a CHO functional group attached to aromatic ring. Such aldehyde are classified as aromatic aldehyde. So we can write the definition. The compound in which CHO group attached to aromatic ring is called as aromatic aldehyde. Now we can take the general example, that is the aromatic ring, and to this CHO group is attached. What is the name of this formula? That is a benzaldehyde. Or this formula can be also written as, this one is the aromatic ring, and here this one is known as the bond line structure formula. In the this point shows the carbon atom, to this oxygen atom is attached and another hydrogen atom is attached. So this middle point shows the carbon atom, and this double bond is carbon double bond, carbon oxygen double bond is present, and to this carbon atom one aromatic ring and one hydrogen atom is bonded by the single bond. So that is the formula of a benzaldehyde. Another example we can take, to this aromatic ring CHO group is attached, that is the salicylaldehyde. What is the formula? That is the benzene nucleus. Here carbon double bond OH, and here OH is attached. That is known as a salicylaldehyde. Another example we can take, that is the derivative of the aromatic aldehyde, that is double bond O, hydrogen, and here NO2 group is present. That is the nitrobenzaldehyde. What is the name? Or you can say it is the para nitrobenzaldehyde. So in this way we can classify the aldehyde as aliphatic and aromatic. Now another example, another classification we have for the ketone, that is the classification of ketone. The compounds in which CO, that is a carbon group attached to two alkyl group, are called as aliphatic ketones. So classification of ketones are of two types also, as aldehyde and ketone, that is a aliphatic ketone. What are the aliphatic ketones? Aliphatic ketones are the ketone in which carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl group. The C double bond O group attached to two alkyl group. Such ketone are known as aliphatic ketone. For example, you can say that is the carbonyl group C double bond O, and to this carbon atom two alkyl group, that is R, which is shown by the or designated by the R. That is R is known as the alkyl group. This R is attached to carbonyl carbon. That's why this one is the example of a aliphatic ketone. General formula of aliphatic ketones are, that is CH3, that is the first alkyl group, to this attached carbonyl carbon, and second alkyl group, that is a dimethyl ketone. What is the name? Two methyl group are there, that's why that is a dimethyl. And here C double bond is a carbonyl group or a ketonic group, that's why we can write dimethyl ketone. And the general name for this, that is the acetone. What is the name? CH3 COCH3 is a acetone. Another example we can take, that is C2H5, that is the ethyl group. Then C double bond O, here C2H5, that is a two ethyl group are there, that's why that is a general name is diethyl ketone. Okay, so in this way we can classify the aliphatic ketone. Now this aliphatic ketone are again classified into due to the presence of a same or different alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon in ketonic group. So they are classified as, first one is a simple ketone or a symmetrical ketone, and second one is a mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Now, what is simple or symmetrical ketone? The ketone in which both the alkyl group bonded to carbon carbon are identical or same. What is the definition of a simple ketone? A ketone in which both the alkyl group attached to C double bond O, that is the carbonyl group, are identical or same. Such ketone are termed as simple ketone or a symmetrical ketone. For example, C double bond is a carbonyl group, and to this carbonyl group both the alkyl group are same, both are attached, both methyl group are attached, that's why this one is the example of a simple ketone. Another example we can take, that is a C2H5 diethyl ketone, that is C2H5 C double bond O C2H5. In this both the alkyl group are same attached to carbonyl carbon, that's why it is also an example of a simple or a symmetrical ketone. What is the definition? A ketone in which both the alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon are same, such ketone are called as simple ketone. Now the next one is a mixed ketone. Then what will be the definition of mixed or unsymmetrical ketone? Mixed or unsymmetrical ketones are the ketones in which both the alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon are different are known as or called as mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. What is the definition of mixed ketone now? Both alkyl group attach to C double bond, that is a carbonyl group, are different. Such ketone are called as unsymmetrical or a mixed ketone. We can take the example, that is C2H5 C double bond O CH3, that is a ethyl methyl ketone, that is the ketonic group. In this, both the alkyl group, first alkyl group is a ethyl group C2H5 and second alkyl group is CH3, that is a methyl group. Both the alkyl group are different, attached to carbon carbon, that's why it is an example of a mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Means both the alkyl group attached to carbon carbon are different. Another example we can take here, that is C double bond O, that is a carbonyl group. Here one CH3 or C2H5 attach. Here ethyl group we can take, that is C2H5, and here we can take the CH2 CH3, that is the propyl group, and this one is the ethyl group. What is the name of this? That is a ethyl propyl ketone. That is a ethyl propyl or N-propyl you can take, that is ketone. So in this way we can classify the ketone. Now aromatic ketones. What is the definition of aromatic compound in which a carbonyl group is attached to either two aryl group or one aryl and one alkyl group are called as aromatic ketones. What is the definition? The compound in which C double bond O is attached to either two alkyl group two aryl group or one aryl and one alkyl group. That is the definition of aromatic ketones. Now we can take the example, that is the ketonic functional group. According to the definition, the compound which is in which a CO group or a carbon group attached to either two aryl group. So two aryl group we can take two benzene nucleus. First, this one is the first one which is attached to carbon carbon, and this one is the second one. So the name of this compound, that is a diphenyl ketone. What is the name? That is a diphenyl. Both the phenyl group are attached. Or you can say that is a benzophenol. What is the name? That is a benzophenol. Now another example we can take, that is a in which one aryl or one alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon, that is the C double bond O, that is the carbonyl carbon, and through this carbon carbon one aryl group and one alkyl group. The name of this compound, that is a acetophenol, or you can say that is a methyl phenyl ketone. That is a methyl phenyl ketone, or what is the name, general name, that is a acetophenol. So this one is taken as a in which two are different alkyl group are attached to this carbonyl carbon atom. So these are the classification of a aldehyde and ketone. Now the another classification of a organic compound, that is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid are the acid in which COH group are present, are known as carboxylic acid group. Now these are also classified as aliphatic carboxylic acid, and second one is a aromatic carboxylic acid. Now what is aliphatic carboxylic acid? That is a aliphatic carboxylic acid. The organic compound in which carboxylic acid or carboxyl group is bonded to an alkyl group are called as aliphatic carboxylic acid. These are the compounds or organic compound in which carboxyl group, that is a COOH group, attached to alkyl group are called as aliphatic carboxylic acid, or they are also called as fatty acids. The exception is that formic acid is also classified as aliphatic carboxylic acid. Example we can take, that is CH3COOH. That is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Why? Because here the COH group, that is the carboxyl group, is attached to alkyl group. That is an example of a aliphatic carboxylic acid. The name of this compound, that is CH3COH, is a acetic acid. Another example we can take, that is the CH3CH2COOH. 3 carbon atom are there, that's why it is a propionic acid. How the name is picked out, I will tell you in IUPAC nomenclature. That is a propionic acid. So this one is the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Now depending upon the number of COH group present in carboxylic acid are classified as monocarboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid, or tricarboxylic acid. Means in the compound in which only one COH group is attached or present, such carboxylic acid are classified as, or called as, monocarboxylic acid. The example are CH3COH. In this acetic acid only one COH group is present, that's why it comes under the classification as monocarboxylic acid. That is a monocarboxylic acid. Only one COH group is present. While the carboxylic acid in which 2 COH group are present, such carboxylic acid are classified as dicarboxylic acid. The example we can take, that is COOH COOH. That is the name. What is the name of this? The name of this compound is a oxalic acid, in which two COOH group are present. That is the carboxylic acid, in which two COH group are present. That's why its name is it comes under the classification of a dicarboxylic acid. That is a dicarboxylic acid, or the general name, that is a oxalic acid. Now the carboxylic acid, in which three COH group are present. Those carboxylic acid in which three COH group are present, they are classified as tricarboxylic acid. For example, we can take, that is a CH2, COH, 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 then CH2, COH. The name of this compound is, that is a citric acid, or it is the it is also known as a tricarboxylic acid. Now the another class we can take, that is the aromatic carboxylic acid. Second class, that is a aromatic carboxylic acid. These are the compound in which one or more carboxyl group are attached, directly attached to the aromatic ring. The compounds in which one or more COH group, that is a carboxyl group, attached to aromatic ring or aromatic nucleus. For example, we can take that is a benzene nucleus, and to this benzene nucleus COH group or a COH group attached to one aromatic ring. The name of this compound, that is a benzoic acid. Another example we can take here, that is a benzene nucleus and two COH group are attached. That is a phthalic acid. Another example we can take, to this benzene nucleus attached to COH group, that is a benzene nucleus, that is a OCOCH3, and here COH group is that is the acetyl salicylic acid or a aspirin. That is a acetyl salicylic acid, or what is the general or medicinal name, that is the aspirin. So these are the classification of a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid are the compounds in they are widely distributed in nature. They are found in both plants and animals. Lactic acid is present in curd. Citric acid is found in citrus fruit, that is lemon. Acetic acid is the key ingredients of vinegar. So it is the widely distributed and have a great commercial value in day-to-day life. Now in the next video we shall see or discuss about the nomenclature of aldehyde and aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Thank you.